$11.79.
Oh, okay. $11.79 for the Remington
For
223. Okay.
Yeah, for 20 full metal jacket.
Can I have a box of the 380, please? Is that limited to one box?
380, you can do 2.
I'll take 2 of those. And I'll take 2 boxes of the. I'll take 2 boxes of the. The Winchester's only green tips. You don't have the regular.
No.
For the bulk pack.
No, the Winchester we have is actually the green tips 25 or 20 round packs.
Okay.
That's just the cases of those.
Yeah. I wanted to get a bulk pack, but I didn't want to get the green tips.
Okay, because we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's green tip. We have 223 right there.
I'll take one of those.
Okay. Yeah.
How much is that?
That's 165
Okay.
for 300 rounds. There.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Remington is back, and that is a very good thing. Look at that. Let's see what these prices are for you. Let you see. Freedom Bucket, $165 for 300 rounds of 223. And the 380 was $37.99 per 100 round pack. Not too bad. Hopefully things are going to start turning around here for us. Peace out.